What challenges exist when researching appellate case law? Have you ever wondered what makes researching appellate case law so tricky? It's not just about finding the right cases, it's about navigating the unique environment of appellate courts. Let's break down some of the challenges you might face. First off, appellate courts do not retry cases. They focus on reviewing the trial court record and examining legal errors. This means researchers can only work with what is already on file. New evidence cannot be introduced. Judges also cannot investigate facts independently unless they are widely known. This restriction limits the factual information available at this level. Next, understanding the standard of review is key but can be quite confusing. This standard dictates how the appellate court evaluates decisions made by trial courts. Different types of issues, such as questions of law or factual findings, have varying standards. These standards can differ by jurisdiction, making it essential to research how a specific appellate court approaches these issues. Another challenge is finding relevant appellate decisions. Researchers must pay attention to jurisdiction and the hierarchy of courts. Decisions from higher courts within the same jurisdiction are binding, while those from other jurisdictions may only be persuasive. It is also important to check if a case is still considered good law. This means ensuring it has not been overturned or limited by later decisions. This often involves using legal research tools, which can be complex and sometimes costly. The language used in appellate opinions can also pose challenges. These opinions include legal reasoning and citations to prior cases. Researchers need to be familiar with legal terminology to interpret these documents correctly. It is also vital to distinguish between the holding, which is the court's legal decision, and dicta, which are statements not essential to the decision. In the context of courtroom settings, particularly appellate courtrooms, these challenges highlight the formal environment where legal principles are debated rather than factual disputes. Appellate courtrooms relying heavily on written briefs and oral arguments based on precedent. This makes thorough case law research essential for effective advocacy and judicial decision-making. To tackle these challenges, researchers can use specialized legal research tools to narrow searches by jurisdiction and issue. Consulting legal citation formats can help locate cases more efficiently. Understanding the binding effect of appellate decisions within the court hierarchy is also crucial. Recognizing the limits on evidence and the importance of standards of review can help frame legal arguments appropriately for appellate courts.